February February 12, 2024. Ito yung emission test dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung talagang effective ito. Hindi ko alam eh. O baka negosyo lang eh. I-compare nga natin sa ibang lugar kung paano nila, how they conduct smoke test or emission test ng mga sasakyan. Kasi parang itong process na to tedious eh. Very weak, very tedious, parang impractical. Hindi ko alam eh. Sana we settle for more and most effective way of testing the cars and vehicles.